I'm Tyler from ResearchHub, and today I'm going to show you how to open an RFP on ResearchHub. So you'll click plus new, navigate to give research funding. This will open up a new notebook post on the site. And in here, I'll copy in a sample that I have. You'll briefly describe the grant opportunity that you have, starting with a quick title of the field. And then the aim of the funding section aims to describe to researchers, hey, this is the research that I'm hoping to see. I'm looking for these specific approaches if I have that much detail. If not, here's some other things I'm excited about. And you can be very general or very specific here depending on your interests. Then we have a rationale section where you can appeal to a wider audience. This is important because on ResearchHub, it's a crowdfunding platform. So my funds can go to these studies, but also I can engage a broader audience of potential funders on ResearchHub if I can get them excited about it. So this is your chance to talk about why other people should also contribute to funding research in this area. Then you'll briefly describe a little bit about the funding amounts, including how many grants you want to give out. Some people prefer to give out individual grants, others prefer to give it to multiple researchers, so it's totally up to you. You can also explicitly tell people what costs are included. By default, they'll probably assume that everything is included, including staffing, but couldn't hurt to explain it. Then lastly, you'll talk about some things that interest you. So as a funder, you might care about having research done totally in the open. So you can ask them to provide a promise to share in the open with their data, as well as any of the preprints downstream. And then one thing I've seen people do in the past is offer to provide incentives for progress updates. So people have given $50 per month to researchers to provide optional updates about how things are going. And this was really successful because it shows funders a much finer grained glimpse into how the research is progressing with these monthly updates. Then in the right sidebar, once you've written your grant, you'll select the grant work type, drag in a cover photo that you think represents and gets people excited. Then write in a quick, short description, and I have one copied here. This is like an abstract for the grant. It should be approachable for a general audience in about one sentence. Then you'll list your organization and provide a contact. A lot of researchers have questions about your specific grants that we've seen in the past. So having a contact lets them reach out to an individual to make sure you keep their interest as a researcher and also get them expedited to actually submitting an experiment for you to fund. Then you'll attach some topics. These topics help categorize the research on the website, but also give people a glimpse at a glance about what your research that you hope to fund is in the field of. Then you'll write in the variable name for funding amount, the amount of funds you're trying to give, as well as provide a rough application deadline for researchers to send their applications in by. And that's it. Once you're done, you click publish, agree to standard guidelines, make sure your title looks good, and then confirm and publish. What happens now is this gets posted live to the website and researchers can begin submitting proposals immediately. And there's a couple cool things on this next page. Firstly, there's a conversation tab. So if other people are interested in your funding opportunity, they can talk about it here. This is a casual section where anyone can discuss any topic, and you're encouraged to engage with researchers here who may have casual questions or want to share to other individuals. There's also an applications tab where you can keep track of all proposals submitted to your RFP, and this allows other funders as well to tag in and crowdfund with you. And you'll keep some nice stats on the right sidebar as well, and that's it.